Hey guys, I have some questions real quick. Well, I have one question. You know, if y'all need ideas, I don't have it up and running right now, but I might not ever actually have it up and running. It might not be up and running, but I have a website right now, yeah. And I was gonna add a little place where you can give me your ideas of things you need on here, so you can go here and send it to me. If I don't get it done, it probably just means I couldn't figure it out, but most likely I'll figure it out. But yeah, so if you can just send me your ideas on there if it's out. If not, just go on my Discord, which is right here. Just, whoops. Find it. Okay. Just go in here, go to video suggestions, and just say it right here. What you would like to hear. Or made. Because I will make it. Well, most likely. Sometimes I end up making it, and then I do it several times, and I can't figure it out, and then I realize it's too confusing, and I'm like, oh, too confusing, can't post it. I'm going to make stuff easier. But yeah, if you can please just send me your ideas that you need. I don't care how simple or hard it is. Send it. Just send it to me. Message me somewhere. Pretty easy. You can message me on Roblox. You can message me on DM me on Discord. You can go on the website, see if it's up. But yeah, you could just do that. It would mean a lot to me if you could just. It's like, this is my old one that I just made, and it did not work out. I got to try making 4 videos today, and none of them worked out. So, but anyways, so I've come up with an idea. I'm not sure if I made. One second, I'm gonna finish the little thing. How to make a force field? Yes, let's do it. So, to make a force field, we're gonna have to first make a block. Duh. I'm just gonna do that. Duplicate it with your edge, move it out of it. Duplicate it with the very other side. Oops. Boom. Okay, so we got our force field. We can just move it over here a bit. I'm gonna make the sides concrete and a little more grid in this. So I'm gonna do concrete, third one down. Boom, concrete. Oops. Actually, it'd probably look better as diamond plate. I just had to do diamond plate. What's this weird texture? We're gonna turn this transparency to 0.7 or something. Excuse me. We're gonna. Ow! I just hurt myself. Just the way I hurt myself. I just kicked the wall. I went with my toe into the wall. That's sad. Alright. Ouch. So I'm gonna go ahead and do force field. And the cool thing about force field is when anything goes in a force field texture, and it makes this cool outline around it. And we make the force field blue. It's got a cool outline. So yeah, that's already cool enough. That's by the way, anchor all this stuff. Don't forget that. That sucks when it falls apart after you're done. Make sure this cannot collide, and also take the shadows away, because why would you have shadows in a force field? Alright, so this looks pretty cool. But I mean, if I was walking up to this, I would not notice it's a force field. I would go and die. No, okay, so we need to make sure people know it's a force field. So I'm gonna go steal an image. I'll just search the force field. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and find an image I can just steal. Oh yeah, this one looks great. I'm gonna go ahead into the decal, change the transparency to 0.7, duplicate it. I'll put it on the left, and boom, we have 2 sides of the force field. Now, of course, we look at this force field and we're like, dude, that does not look like a force field. Cool, I don't care. It's gonna look like a force field in a minute. Add a script. We're gonna go ahead and do while wait do. Wait 0.5 for I equals 1 comma comma 10. Do. We're gonna change it by 0.1, so it's gonna get upward transparency and downward transparency thing. Let's do 20 actually. Alright, we're gonna wait 0.1. Yeah, 0.06. Alright, we're gonna do script.parent.forceField. Let's rename this one to forceField2 just so we know which one's which. forceField.transparency equals where's it? Copy this. Plus 0.1. Then we can just copy this whole liner here, paste it down here. We're gonna do forceField2. Okay. Then, of course, we can't just have it sit there and do that. Wait 0.5, and we need to make it go back down. Actually, I'm gonna make this weight 1.5. Okay. We're just gonna make it go down by doing it equals it minus 1. So let's go back to opaque. Let's see how it looks. Run the game. Alright, we're going a little too much. Let's just do 7. And also 0.6 is waiting too long. We'll do 0.01. Nope, still going too much. Actually, now that I think of it, I don't think this is I think 0.7 is a little too much. Let's do 0.4. I'm also gonna change the colors of these to blue. Alright, run. Alright, now we're going a little too fast, so I'll do 0.4. And this is gonna be 0.8. Alright, let's try that. But you know, the look I'm trying to get here is, let's do 0.05. The look I'm trying to get here isn't coming through. I'm trying to get not to look like, I'm not trying to get to look like a, then going invisible back. I make it look like it goes a little transparent and back more. Perfect. This is 0.8. Actually, I think 0.2 would fit that. Run it again. Perfect. Both sides. Nice. Alright, now I want to run the game. Not run it. Oh my god, if I run. Now I want to play here. Alright, so as you can see, we get the force field. Looks good. If we step through it, our character has that awesome looking line around us. Oh, I forgot to put my accessories back on. My accessories back on. Boop, boop. Alright, now not look good without my accessories. Okay. But yeah, it's got our little lines back, which is nice. Alright, so now we can continue on. Actually, I'm gonna make the force field white. So they could lighten up a bit like that. Nice. But then, actually, no, I want it to be dark blue. Very dark blue. Nice. So, that's how you make a force field. Now, of course, you know force field if you can just... How does it work? What is the force field in physics? Oh. So essentially, it won't let you walk through it. Oh, well, that might be nice to know. Easy enough. Unless you're the owner of it, right? Or something like that. Alright, time to make a simple door script. So we're going to do script.parent.oops. Script.parent.touch connect function. Hit. If hit.parent find first child humanoid, then if hit.parent.name equals me, then script.parent.canCollide equals false. Wait. 0.5 script that can glide equals true. The way I'm trying to get this is make it look like you're walking through it, like you're not make it look like it's going transparent for, like, I ain't going uncollidable for a second. I'm trying to make it look like it's going, trying to make it look like your character walks through it. I actually, for some reason, that's fine with me. But, just to make it normal, we're going to do 0.1. Point 1 should be enough time to walk through it. Boom. Now when I walk through it, most of the time, it's going to look like I'm just walking straight through. But if it's another player, they're not going to be able to. Trust me, they won't. So I'll go ahead, because other people will be using this but me. I'll put your name here. And I'll put over here, your name here. I'll put an arrow aiming this way, like this. Boom, 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 boom. Boom! Your name here. Alright, yeah, that's it. Pretty easy, and that's a force field. Yes, force fields are cool. Yeah, they're awesome, dude. I love force fields. I didn't steal anything for this. This was all I originally made it. But yeah. Sure. Didn't steal no images. No, they're technically free images, right? So technically you can use them, so I'm not gonna say anything. What do I call it? Force field? Boom! And we have a force field. If you need this, I'm gonna force you to go to my new website I made. What's my new website? I'm pretty sure I showed this already, but it's a website. Yep. Pretty cool, huh? But yeah, you're gonna have to be forced to go there to download it. So yeah, that's what you get. Ooh, level of detail. I want it to be automatic. Alright, so yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna upload this. And I have a few questions. Well, actually, I have no questions, honestly. I'm just gonna end the video and go edit it and get it synced out, because I have not uploaded a video in like a week. At least it feels like a week. Dang, I still have math to do. Math homework. Subscribe if you hate math homework. And if you don't, that means you love math homework, and I'm going to start giving you math homework. And if you get an F, you have to give me 100 Robux. No, just kidding. Alright, boom. Ouch. That hurt. I'm good. That's how you make a force field. And if you made it, then you made it. If you want to just steal from me, then you're going to have to go through my website. How about that? Enjoy. Yeah, enjoy.